Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create feature class using ArcGIS Pro. Before we go too deep inside to the practical aspect, I would like to give you a highlight about feature class and shapefile. As you know, feature classes are homogeneous collection of common features, each having the same spatial representation. The representation can be using shapefiles, and shapefile is a vector data file format commonly used for geospatial analysis. Any geographic feature or human-made feature can be represented using shapefile, and shapefile helps to store location of a place which contains x and y coordinate, and it is depicted by the decimal degree or by using metric unit. The other is shapefile can store the geometry of a shape. Some features on the surface can be represented by using point, line, and polygon. So geometry refers to the size and the shape of any geographic phenomena on the Earth. Besides this, each geographic feature has its own attribute. The point, line, and polygon features contain the attribute or the general characteristics of features. As I have mentioned earlier, any geographic feature can be represented by using point, line, and polygon. The point can be represent a smaller area and entirely dependent on the scale of the map, whereas road and any river pattern which contains a linear shape can be represented by connecting points. It forms a line, and if certain phenomena on the surface can be represented by using polygon. It contains an area. So today I will give special emphasis how to create a feature class using ArcGIS Pro. Let's get started with a practical aspect. Before we go to the main aspect, let me remind you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question related to the creation of shapefile, don't hesitate to ask a question and put down your comment on the comment section. Let's get started. First step that we are going to do is open your ArcGIS Pro on your machine and click here map. And we need to give the file name for our new project. Let me say create feature creation or shapefile. Shapefile is my project name and hit OK. It directly redirects to the main portion of ArcGIS Pro like that of ArcGIS. This ArcGIS Pro contains three portions. Table of content, the main body, and the catalog session. What makes ArcGIS Pro different from ArcGIS is there are different features that are different from ArcGIS, but it is compatible or it contains the base map to visualize. So the main concern for today's presentation is shapefile creation or feature class generation. To perform that, go to view. From view, we do have a catalog panel. Catalog panel helps to properly manage our data set. So click here catalog pane. Automatically the catalog is appear. And within folder, we need to connect our working directory or folder and make a right click here and add folder connection. If you want to create certain folders for your working directory, you can select your working directory and you can create your own new folder. So let me create a new folder. Right click and folder. Give a folder name as shapefile. Then I need to connect this folder as my working directory. Then select shapefile and hit OK. Automatically, the shapefile folder is under the folders connection. You can click here, and the shapefile that I have created earlier is appeared here. So I need to take have a look your area of interest. In my case, this is the political boundary of African states, and I need to create a shapefile in the parts of Ethiopia, particularly in the northern part of Ethiopia. This is Lake Tana. Lake Tana is found in Amhara regional states in the parts of Ethiopia. It is the largest lake in Ethiopia. And this is the origin of the Blue Nile from Ethiopia. So let me show you. This polygon is a polygon structure because Lake Tana have the area coverage which is estimated about 3,600 kilometers square, and here there are linear features. It can be road or it can be rivers. So for the sake of creating a polygon, I go to on Shapefile and right click here, then select new. From new, we need to create a polygon of a shapefile. Click Shapefile. Under the geoprocessing wizard, create feature classes. Here there are different parameters. The first one is the ideal shapefile is put under the folder called shapefile, which is found in my E drive. So feature class name is, let me say, Lake Tana. Lake Tana. This Lake Tana have areal extent, and the geometry type should be polygon because it have areal extent and it is not a linear structure. So this is a polygon. The most important thing that we should consider here is that the coordinate reference system. As you know, coordinate reference system can show the position of an area based on using the latitude and longitudinal value or easting and northing. So there are two types of coordinate reference system. The first one is geographic coordinate system. The second one is projector coordinate system. Geographic coordinate system is always depicted by using latitudes and longitudes, and it is expressed always in terms of degree, minutes, and second, or it can be in decimal degree, whereas projector coordinate system is indicated by using the metric one. So for the sake of this practical exercise, I'm very much comfortable with geographic coordinate system, and select the wallet. And from the available option, I need to use WGS 9084 as a coordinate reference system. And if you want to use again and again, you need to add under favorite. You can click here, then hit OK. So let me summarize here. The feature class that I have created is Lake Tana, which is found under shapefile folder, and the geometry type is polygon, and the coordinate system is just 9084. You can execute or run, and automatically under the map section, the Lake Tana feature class is created, and we need to digitize this. This is a polygon. If we have another polygon, we can create in such a fashion. But the next is I need to digitize some points or some road junctions which is run within the Bardar city administration. So the same thing happen here. I need to give a feature class name, for instance, roads. It can be rivers or roads, and the geometry type for road is a polyline or a line. In the case of ArcGIS, we select a line. In the case of ArcGIS Pro, we need to select, or we are expected to select the polyline. The coordinate reference system is the same as WGS 9084, and let's run. Automatically the road linear feature is created here. Let us create squares. Squares are squares as point data. So the geometry type is point, and the coordinate reference system is the same as WGS 9084. then hit run. So we do have point, line, and polygon data, but this point, polygon, and linear or line data have not any shapefile, and we are expected to digitize based on our area of interest and based on our objectives. So let's take some exercise how to digitize and how to create shapefiles. First thing that we are going to do is we are expected to zoom in and zoom out to our area of interest. Let's start with Lake Tana. This is Lake Tana, and I need to digitize and create a shapefile. To do so, go to Edit, and from Edit, we need to click Create Feature. So here there is a create feature with a template of Lake Tana, road, and squares. These lists are created under the folder structure of Shapefile. So let's select Lake Tana, select here, and we need to create or we properly digitize based on our interest. So let us digitize it. Let's digitize in such a fashion. If it is not visible, you can double click here under Lake Tana and we make it hollow. Double click and we can select the hollow one. So we will continue our digitization based on your area of interest. So the accuracy should be maintained. This is for practical purpose. So you need to properly digitize, because if there is misplace, it can affect area of our polygon. Finally, we digitize the Lake Tana in such a fashion. So we are properly digitized Lake Tana, and let's continue with some road features. So we need to select here, go to under template and select road, and let's zoom in to road structure within a part city administration. If it is not visible, for understanding the or for visualization purpose, you can change the base map. To change the base map, go to map and select base map. Under base map, we do have different options. So you can select imagery. This is satellite image, or we can also use image cherry hybrid. Click here. Automatically, the base map is changed from a topo sheet structure or from a topo sheet to that of the hybrid one. So here there are different roads within the Bahar city administration. Let's draw, for instance, this is, then go to edit, from edit click create. This is a road which is run from St. George to the university. This is one shapefile that I've created. This road is run from St. George to Papyrus, and you can also zoom in and zoom out, and you can draw any road structure or road network. So let me digitize here also. I have created the road, and the other is we need to generate point data of a square. To perform that, go to square and click here, then click edit, from edit create. This is one of the square, the St. George Square I have created. You can also go to around papyrus here. You can create a point here. We do have also square. So I have created point data. Let us symbolize here. Double click the points. You can increase the size or you can change the color. This is a point data. We can also increase the size of road. Let's have a look. This is a road that I have digitized. This is also the shapefile of Lake Tana. Let us zoom in, or let us zoom to layer for the sake of visualization. This is the shapefile that I have created through digitization. To have a look, you can turn off the base map. This is the shapefile that I have created as Lake Tana, and let me show you the road. Right click and zoom to layer to properly visualize. This is a road that I have digitized. You can also have a look the attribute table. So I do have one polygon. This is Lake Tana. And if I open the attribute table of roads, I have digitized many lines. So I do have about 4 road structures. So in such a fashion, you can easily create a shapefile, and in the upcoming video, I will show you how to add field and how to work with the attribute tables, how to calculate area of a polygon. This is all about today's presentation. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, and please don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel and invite for your friends. Have a good day.